To remove the main rotating brush from Tikom L8000, first of all you will need to flip your robot upside down so you can see the bottom side of it. Now the next step is to find a cover for our rotating brush, and as you can see it's clearly right here. There's two levers on this side, and what you need to do is grab your cover and then push on both of those buttons until the cover is loose. Then take your brush and pull it on the left side like I'm doing, and then it should come out like so. Now to insert it back you will need to make sure that it's aligned to the proper slots. So the right side has the square, or actually hexagon, and you need to slide it in. So always start with the sticking out part and then put it in like that. And then on the left side right here so it sits nicely, grab your cover and then put it like this. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video please consider subscribing.